This trimmer uses .080 line, and they want you to use the round line, and they really recommend using DeWalt so that it winds up best. But anyway, it's got to be the round variety of line, and it's a bump trimmer. So you bump this and the line comes out. I've taken the guard off so you can see it better right now. So to get the head off, you depress this and this. You can do it one at a time or both at the same time if you've got big enough hands. So this is the top right here. It's got a little spring there, and so now we have the spool right here. Okay, let's say you have run out of line and there's a little piece stuck in here. So we can do one at a time, but that came off. Okay, so here's the little piece of line. Now you can just pull it out and you put this right back on. Just push it in. If you have a little bit of line still sticking out of the hole where you can grab it with your hand or with some pliers, just align the two lines and pull it out. You won't have to take the top off that way. Okay, so I got it in on both sides there. So I have a new piece of line here that's 10 feet long, and the manual says that it can take up to 20 feet. So what you do is, you see there's a white line right here. You just turn it, you depress it a little bit and able to turn it. So with these two lines aligned right here, you take your string and you put it in this hole and it will come out this hole. So you just put this right in here. If you can straighten out your line a little bit, it's easier. Okay, because that goes here. And there it goes. Okay, so it came out the other side. Okay, so you take the line and you get it even and pull it through like that. So you got two basically 5-foot ends here. Now you use a ratcheting motion. You put your hand on this and you go like this. This is winding up the string onto the spool. Okay, so we got about 6 inches on each side. I'll show you how to install the guard too, because when you get it in a box, you have to install the guard. So you just put it in like that. Okay, that's 2 screws. So that's how you install the guard. Now, you can measure this. I'm going to give this a pull to make sure everything's tight in there. Now you can measure this right here, and you can let it just cut itself off when you start it up, or you can cut it to length right there. I'll put a link in my video description for the DeWalt .080 spring trimmer line, and I'll put a link for this string trimmer, which is a folding string trimmer, and it has the Quickload Spool. And I'll put a link for the new DeWalt 20-volt max blower, and I'll put a link for the new DeWalt 20-volt max hedge trimmer, which articulates so that you can, for instance, cut the top of a hedge even if it's over your head. Thanks. I hope this video was helpful.